Hello everyone, this is the first diary of the developer of our neural network betting system. It's such an uncomplicated name, but I think it describes quite completely what the neural network actually does. Today I'm going to briefly run through and show you the starting point if you want to use our neural network. You need to do the following. First of all, go to our website, compare it so that it's exactly what you need. That is Neural Betting XYZ. Next, you need to log in or register directly on our neural network. I'm already registered, so the registration will be as follows. I've registered, I'm authorizing, and then I go directly to my personal cabinet, that is, the personal dashboard of the neural network. Here are my tokens that I use in the network. Here I can also replenish the balance of tokens, and there are also statistics on the use of the neural network. As a matter of fact, here we have, as you can see, quite good. These are monthly statistics. That is stable, that is. Sometimes there are negative days, but actually we tested all sorts of different things. I mean, at the moment it is even more stable, but the main thing is to look at the distance. That is a monthly profit of $1,000, plus so on from the important aspects. This is our naturally authorization key. It must be used directly in the program. Now, let's move on to the program itself. Here is our program. Actually, we have a data folder, and a folder, or rather the main executable file in the data folder, are essentially the brains of our neural network. That is, when you download our program, it will be necessary to do a little training of the neural network. Do not worry, there will be no training. That is, your money will not be spent. That is, you will do a little training, and then you can use it. Now, let's open the program. I'm going to minimize this. As you can see, there was a small update. That is, we regularly update, regularly pump something up. Next, here we need to specify, copy our key, specify it here. We will verify, and further, it will be necessary to enter the login and password from directly already site 1xbet. At the moment I went directly to 1xbet. Go to the game. As you can see, we have moved. I have already pre-authorized here. Go to my personal cabinet, and you can see directly my account ID. Here, I enter my account ID, and then enter my password. Then we authorize, we wait a little bit, and directly we have entered our neural network. What do we see? Actually, the main thing is, of course, our login, which must match, of course. Next, the number of our tokens is displayed. Our tokens are 96, and it is displayed correctly. Next, our balance in 1xbet is displayed. You see, here is the balance. Everything is clear, and then you would it show all the rest. Actually, this is the basic information. Then the settings are already on the settings. That is, you can specify the minimum and maximum bet. That is, in what range the bets will be made in the neural network. For example, from $5 to $10, I have $5 on my balance. Next, we have two main buttons. These are start mining. That is, it is directly launching the neural network to earn money. And training network. That is, when you click training network, we are training the neural network. As you can see, tokens do not run away. The balance is not deducted. That is, we test it on a certain model. More precisely, We are training the neural network on a certain model. Then we can stop. Then we can also start earning money directly. So now I click Start Mining and explain a little bit about the processes and so plates. Bet is done. The balance is displayed here, and also we can naturally update the page here. The balance is updated. So the neural network is working. The neural network is making us money. As you can see, sometimes you can naturally lose money because the neural network, let's say, it's just a predictive model, and naturally it can be wrong. But the main aspect is that you will definitely make money in the distance. We are now calculating an accuracy percentage of about 70%. That is, as you understand, on the distance 70% gives a very good result, and in fact, I have already demonstrated it directly on my statistics in the client's dashboard 79. Also the main, one of the bars, is very important indicator. By the way, at any time you can stop the mining stops, but since the bet is made, it will reach the end, that is, it will go through the cycle to the end. Here, we have the money coming in. Let's update. The page, as you can see, is refreshing. The money is added. That is, you can slightly change. Let's say the bet, make exactly $10. That is, a 10 will bet. And also be sure to look at this indicator. This is the detection risk indicator. That is, roughly speaking, when you use our neural network, the bookmaker can begin to slightly, let's say, notice problems on your side. And so this detector, it will notify us that it's worth stopping. I think I'll demonstrate this to you shortly. I'm going to put a tenner in each. And let's see how our balance grows. As you can see, Beton, so the statistics are quite good. As you can see, we had only one loss, the rest we have a plus. Right, one more bet. Update. You should not worry about losses, because we work with distance, we work with a small amount of bets, and in fact, we use the neural network as a tool for making money. That is, there is no gambling here. You calmly earn money. It's okay. Let's look at this. As you can see, the risk percentage starts to increase. I advise you not to make it 100%. When it gets to 100%, the neural network will stop itself. It'll tell you that further bets could attract unnecessary attention. And a con can either be blocked or in general, that is, the payout can be limited on this account. As you can see, another loss, but like I say, we're not worried about it. Anyway, I had 65 on my balance. Now it's already plus $15. We're up to $100. That's great, and you can see the risk is starting to turn a little bit yellow. As I say, you should not finish it to the end. When you reach the end result of the maniac becomes, and you will be asked to use it a little bit later, and see, everything is working fine. We'll stop mining at this point. The bet has been placed. It's going to come to an end now. Bat loose. It's no big deal. As you can see, we still have our $100 in our account. As you can see, I've demonstrated how it works, how accurately the model works. Take note that the model is not perfect, but with the proper setting of the minimum and maximum bet, 10% of the bank each, on a long distance you are guaranteed to make good money. At this point, I'm stopping the recording. Main key points. I have told, Yes, probably. In fact, I have not pointed out the most important key. Actually, you can download it in your personal account. Just click on this button and, in fact, when you download it, install it and start using it. That is, everything is quite simple. And of course, do not lose your authorization key. Thank you all for your attention. Bye everybody.